number two, and we called it "Oh my God." We call it "Oh my God" because very often people scream in the middle of the line. Oh my God!
Yeah, I might holler.
We have the highest but the longest noise here. The longest, actually, is in Monteverde. That company is called Selvatura. It's around 2 kilometers.
Wow.
So yeah, it's crazy. And also you need to do in the Superman.
Oh,
You need to go in the Superman.
Oh, that's fun.
The reason is because you need another kind of pulleys, fastest pulleys.
like doors and harness. Like,
How long is the longest one here?
Half a mile.
half a mile. 40 seconds.
That's awesome.
So look at the lake, yes. Now it's clear. Beautiful weather.
Yeah, it stopped raining.
Oh yeah. It'll rain clearly. Yeah.